Welcome back, everyone. Today we got a new tool to show you. This is the KAIWEETS Articulating Industrial Borescope. It's got a 1.5 meter cable length in freedom units. That's about 5 feet. The model number is KBA01. Take a look at the box here. Just your standard shipping box. On this side, you can use it for airplane, automobile, pipeline, building inspection, marine inspection. Basically, all types of areas that you want to get in with a camera. This should be able to do it. There's your specifications there. 3.5 hour battery life, USB-C. So it does come with a 32 gig memory card, that's good. Side mirror, lens protection, hook, magnet, storage bag, and the user's manual. And right there is some links. You got a YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Made in China. It says 5.5 feet. I don't know about that. Maybe that's including the handle, but the 1.5 meter length on the actual cord is 4.9 feet. Comes in this nice neoprene case with a handle. Pretty standard on all these equipment that comes from China. They do come with nice cases. Here's the unit itself. It's got some protective wrap on it. Let me zoom out, see if we can get a better view there. There we go. Pretty long cable on here, pretty flexible. This seems like this is the accessories. Looks like the little protector, the mirror, the hook. And then we have a USB-C and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We'll get the instruction manual, take a look at it. Here's the user's manual. Comes in several different languages, 3-year warranty. Tells you all the safety, maintenance, battery description, where all your buttons are. So the scroll wheel allows the head to articulate, and we'll show that right here, this wheel right here. And we should be able to move this head. Yeah. So you get about a 180, a little more than 180, because that's 180 left to right. So it comes all the way around essentially to a 360 if you can get it in that area. Not bad at all. It's going to show you your card slot, reset button, charging port, what all the LEDs mean, how to operate everything. There's the camera scrolling. So 360. It's got high temperature protection. It'll shut down if you get it in too hot of a spot. Does pictures and video. That's pretty good. Different languages, image resolutions, date tag, timestamps. So it's basically just a miniature camera that you can get down inside really tight spots. The video quality is going to be where it's at. There's auto power off, reset, format. You can hook it to a computer. Again, it comes with a 32 gig card. You get about 30 gigs free inside of it. We already checked it. It's all the specs again. All right, we'll take a quick look at it and see how it looks. That's pretty decent. That's the outside. You can record, you can do different things with it. We'll get the book down there and show you how clear that book looks. Takes some getting used to move it around. There we go. So pretty clear. We're going to go over to a vehicle and see how it looks. Alright, this is the KAIWEETS Borescope. We're going to show you the quality of it. It's not too bad. It's actually really good when you get down inside things, so we'll show you here. As we're recording here, we'll get down and we'll inspect some things. And as you can see, it's definitely decent. You'll be able to find leaks. Let's see if we can get that casting number there. We can definitely zoom in there. Let's try and get that focused. There we go. So it's definitely a good tool to use. Try and get that casting number in place there, just so we can show you the quality of it. It's a bit tricky to maneuver when you've never used one that much before, especially with an articulating head, but we will get down there and show you. There we are. So it's pretty decent. You can see the casting numbers on things. We can zoom in. So definitely decent. So you seen there, the video quality is not bad. The picture quality is not bad at all, with the little attachments like the magnetic head, the lens protector, the hook grabber. This thing will make easy work of finding any bolts for a mechanic or looking for any leaks. It says it's IP67, so you can probably stick it down a drain for a plumber. It's really got an unlimited amount of uses wherever you need to get a camera in a small spot to inspect things. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.